Ejumade dey live on Facebook oko Facebook na search engine no wabo Sompa 93.1 na hye ho ebe ya ba like na share wadwinkyere bia no fato ye beji brebe kenkan di amount eya sembisa ye be ya no e di amount na no pay odwumade no so na mum nsama na no pay ye be di hodwuma na ya pa ne poma sibre ye betwa Bet Power Premier League match week 3 shase enne na nsam sene city ye do nsam pi e di ebeba enwo chinsema do afrafi semu ba no beba ye be kwa mono ne Major European Leagues no ebi shase enne enwo nsama do eba ne awurawura mo Saudi Arabia ne ya se awurawura nsama do ebbo de ba no enwo nsam na ne ye de be dawo e odwumade so shanon so esa woni yentena enko sepramo no ebe toa Sompa 93.1 FM suni live on TV shanon se showdown walk no bas ononyamfo Kennedy akompre kwa Japan wo se MPP amanyokuo no wo se obe Franka tunidima amanyokuo no na ba super delegate conference no motimi akoto aba e dia endorse no aka the final one November baso obesere esi ahenfo ebre no so amonsan kai no na wo se dia moya amanui ene odo Ghana man ono wo MPP ona wo ni MPP odo amoda na dia chentre wo se one ne fans enyina timi kabom no the showdown walk eso de bana showdown walk no munyina mo be kabom no maka damu na ye de nante chenche ananti kumase monten so na wo be kobi Kennedy ebekobi mensume kobia ya ho fama na sene sitie ya besha atade uniform ba ko a Kennedy Japan picture boy ni mu wanya wo de unya wo de abrasom padwuma mo na beje wo de ya wo echa Kennedy ni din ni picture e wo so uba no abeje wo de ya wo max ahodo ho enti brain na bra beje wo de sare be ya shoulder walk no ebetuma ya kono ya fe no obi onsampa honorable Kennedy Japan kompreko opaso Franka tunu no odom na ebreno esunie so Franka tuni edma MPP amanyoko frana bai wo asembisa bia 0278 369 494 0278 369 494 o from Bedos na bibia kama na Sompa sika promotion ni nyina na Sompa e be chowska sika na dia Sompa ye chichen enie utie show na entie show no kwa ade se ye political show no ade a cha bia na se ye ba u follow ya betra se di futa mu bai no wa follow asem mpanipa anadwe program no o forisuo mu tenase a eno so no wa follow ni nyina na se Sompa no ye wo station makoma yensa ni nyina ye Sompa kuma se Sompa nkransa ena Sompa sunwane eno ntidi obeye nie eye 5 Ghana cedis per ene ye beto o fa phone na network bia dial star 256 hash na star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash oba me pa cho se eye Sompa sunwane na wabo ahye se Sompa kumase na wabo ahye se Sompa nkranza na wabo ahye na obo hye show no yeguso ayeti nkonyo so ayedi no show ni baba na wie ya obo station no Sompa kumase na nkranza na sunwa hyema ombe yi ticket bi ama na sa ticket number no na wafa na draw no ye be braso ebia na oma hene ye odubu achetena se a bonso be soro be draw wa wadi no 5 cities trying to be brought to me 20,000 Ghana cities and watching sports no to full time ya be draw no so na bibia so aye kama saso asem pani pa for as be omo draw so na bibia aye kama na dwumadie shanon se upema ya dey say regulated by the National Lottery Authority and as some may say to me so ya do omo mra ye adwuma no e de ete no no na ye catch us say ya dey say express group for sabra obeso kosuade wa brochi o pese ye ma scholarship ama kwa brochi kosuade obeso koye adwuma wa brochi na express group for na do be ko omo ne anim wo mo omo na wodini omo na aye bi da ya from aye bi afofo na express group for say kan cho say abrochi ensohwe na pese otro school wanya admission ana o pese onya admission o so otro exams say sat say TOEFL dey obe guide wa mo atro no kama eno chi no so no visa na pon be boa eno chi say ticketing holiday na pese okora brochi to ana pese okoye express group omo branches bebre eso ewo Ghana ha upa kuma some branch no asafo labor runabout eno chi pemo Accra omo office no Keneshi first light opemo tema Community 18 Lashibi Gwai filling station wa omo ebe Lashibi funeral home and East Legon omo be Trinity Theological Seminar open motakradia express group for ewo market circle no omo ne hot and nesto fast food ne die nhwe open mo sunyania Silver House abro etanum omo be High Court and Tamale omo be Tamale Teaching Hospital and babiani omo ebe court no from 0249 3000448 0249 3000448 and 055 55 50067 your 0508 11 11343 or from Omejo Sram Kobobiano only one more dinner with Piasso Aye Kama and what the great must be was a Brabaji Chinese track spare parts now Okano a Sino track a Shackman and answer a ho Nina so Bamo home pass a Hokama Omo Ebemau and into the Omo Ayeni almost say a engine housing and now say a ho brake drum a springs a suppressor bar a bar a fee bar and now say a bar ho headlight a bar Shackman H3000 headlight and in turning Nabenya Biwamo and watching open brake band open brake pot back, open brake pot front, and an oil bather. Nina a great must be. Hona do any chram. A Chinese track and I used to quadia. Ne pass and Hona Benyabi. Kumasi for the chemo swami crew. Udra for any funny road crown so many quasipon. SHS in a dead share and watching on Osa Ebram as was Sunania, Obama Sunama Zinwa, and a Ramo Brekum Samo Mazinho. Now Brekum for Mum Fenambay 0555 0630 and a Sunyanamon phone number 0257 491211 and a Kumasi 0242 633 091 and 0206 404088 na bibia enya kama emfa emam omadaruma ena omobo ye chidoma me yedam no nsem no eso edia bro sesie na ebrani nie ye kwam no ne na yedam no nsem no eso edia bro ye breaking it down me pemema me yedu ma kwa bro chire sesie we ye bema na pa bro chire kwa na se o pese ba bia obeda o permit enu bibia ye krado ye de ma wansa no kwa frɛ number is 0241 272990 0241 272-990 now bra nyemfa nkwa bruchira bibia eso enye kama me pacho ebrani nie join on Facebook pictures out over videos out wo eso ba me chase e dey free Aston Villa on bobo kono ubeka ya enche na me breaking it down etima wo asa Aston Villa players no o ma complaining o mo so twa Jesse a e hye wo mo di si akan no se Jesse no emfifre eto wo a na Jesse no emu ayedu o mo komirika na ewe womo na Jesse no entimo mumrika to no entimi nkoye esa eha omo papa na ukopima per reporter metem esa omo kit manufacturer omo mu yesa Jesse no mom no ye from Air Castle na de mete and they say team even Aston Villa ye attemnati contractor one Air Castle for no eso no wo ye attemnati na esa akwa papa from them to omo pe short term option so be omo between Jesse's papa eso edema place no amo metima shapo aduma kama eso edema wo mo eno edeba ye jejamu edema mo ene anopai e wotuma die no so na ukopema ye nya aduma we mamo uka former Watford amo striker ye friend Troy Dini na Abrantane na opemo League 2 o si academy Forest Green Rovers na Abrantane ye ben Troy Dini ene de betutwa ese ono no as a striker or qualities and areas bia why better and say Hurricane yentese no sichemni areas why better as in Hurricane.
Is Hurricane a better footballer than Troy Deeney? Fucking absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, you said that.
I'd be fucking naive to say he's not. Is he a better finisher than me? Yes. Can he head a ball better than me? No. Can he control the ball better than me? Like look after it when there's two men on his back? No. So when you're winning a game in the 85th minute and you need someone to come on because he's getting a bit tired or whatever, he can't do what I can do.
Yeah.
When I was going in, if I was going to go in at Spurs, that would have been my role. That's it. That's what I'm talking about.
Plain and simple. Yeah.
no Troy Deeney. Yemsansa Hurricane a better striker say no. What's my idea na o kanona on Hurricane no. Yanka control. Say as a striker ni pa mienu gina wachi ni abobo na control Hurricane team control say no. Dia asem na wukai eno achi na adwuma no. So ebi ho a mo bo game na do 85th minute. Na per striker na na ya adwuma na. E Troy Deeney and watch areas so you better as Hurricane and you don't some so Edamano. Now young coach Chelsea, Obaka Chelsea player, why left backer, your friend Mark Kukuria, a Brenton with the 20 nano, or see don't do for take a rama course after Fusena, if it's a Manchester United for Basanka Summer, about Penny Chelsea, I'm an uncle on no January, when Tariq start transfer the Pia on Obepe, and so be free Chelsea team nom, and a Chelsea the Abetuka, and so may red to my Biomo Planto, 8 offers, we a team, now per Mark Kukuria, Ubetimi Abba, now about the team, come on, the Nebamau, the Real Madrid, actual interest, so many Luna, almost so epe, and no air ras, Kukuno, and no air deba, ye jam, Edamamo, and then I pay a Wotmadian so, now you go shooting Conaso, Mikel Arteta, the press conference, no, and your ushers ahead of bomb of game, no, na Urama, Mikel Arteta, and Yabusan say, goalkeepers, me, no, says as a debia, and some Gusel Cosom between goalkeeper, your friend Aaron Ramsdale, and your brother David Raya. Na so far, Jana, who your decision, no, who can then, yen team wire, Mikel Arteta admire.
Season. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
Your first game in charge of Arsenal was at Bournemouth.
Yes.
I think only 2 of the starting lineup that day are still at the club. What does that say about the job that you and Edu have done in that time?
Well, obviously a lot of change.
Can I take it for granted that the keeper that starts will have a surname that begins with R?
You are a genius. I have my answer for the rest of the season.
And we are Mikel Arteta. And I was someone come to me. Now, what was our question? Or no answer, no, or the rest of the season. I can say David Raya and the Betam Jama Arsenal. Say Aya Brantia, Jeffrano Aaron Ramsdale, and Edema Nina Onim Jobeye, and you Mikel Arteta, no, and what you know, you say, game against Brentford, El Carabao Cup from third round, young Fabio Vieira, Southern Brantia for William Saliba. Young woman, Nana Omabra, and I one more mobi.
And then just finally, you mentioned Saliba and Vieira. Are they in that same pool that they might not play tomorrow?
Let's see how everybody is today. Again, obviously they weren't selected. They were in the squad for a reason, and we need to assess them today.
Sorry for that.
There's a Bonoma Mobia, no reason na Omunya fit on Baba against Brentford. Now, so for us, the injury list, no, Senate City, my injury list, no, Okopema, and Sempidikan Rice, Bukayo Saka, Leandro Trossard, Gabriel Martinelli, Thomas Partey, Julian Timber. There's a Obia Prehano, and a way Dikan Rice, your back, Bukayo Saka, your foot, and Leandro Trossard, your hamstring, and Gabriel Martinelli, a hamstring na Thomas Partey groin, and a Julian Timber ACL, and no Chema, and why ya DM and ne Jumadian so na and watching on the say na Kai Havertz, Diana Walker at the Afan the Bisa Akwan was super dada, a big class one year, na Mikel Arteta so a champion coach.
They'll play his way into form basically.
Yes, and he needs to glide within the team. You know, the amount of time that he's played in the left unit with those players is 3 times, 4 times, you know, and we're going to have to carry on doing that. And certainly we have the experience of that with many other players, and try to give him as much support and confidence as we possibly can, because that's going to help him for sure.
And you Mikel Arteta say Kai Havertz is a 2 Elisamba judge na mo positions na doso mo de mo adwuma no ba na mo hwe bi goals nko na mo pe na positions bebre ne no ma bebre wa adwuma no ma e otimi ya na go prama no so a e 2 exceptional na mo me ma na brand ya ma confidence na Kai Havertz ngusu nya adwuma no eso emfa ma e Arsenal enu ensem odi tudwa ya de emam na enu achemsa say Arsenal omo maintain unbeaten record no omo kwa ne say omo ye ne day and you entes for Arteta de Maye.
Hi Miguel, hope you're well. 9 matches unbeaten so far in all competitions. Must be
pleased that obviously, depending on the situation, you still managed to come through and not be beaten by anybody yet this season.
And we have to continue to do that, and that's the mindset that we win every single game. Win in any context, and we had very different contexts throughout the season already, and that's going to keep changing. And as you can see now, with the amount of situation that we have in the team, with the uncertainty of players, it's going to be even more. Playing every 3 days, having to win, having to compete in 3 different competitions in 7 days, and that's the challenge.
And Mikel Arteta, I don't know, Yantisim El Burnley, Tough More, and a Vincent Company, and so Edin Sembia to draw also so far. There's 5 games, or only 1 point to free league table. Now, Seba, there's a last but one honor, Burnley da, and Yabuso Pens so far, so Teso, or strike across the chair. Masamina Brabono, Gemma Famuno, me come days, I brought 2006, you did 10 million euros, ever from Andalet, Eko Pemo Hamburg, Germany, me kopo Jumantama Womono, no credit Yamian, me bought games Satano, 8-11 Hamburg, Eko relegation, na some moment, no more 2 minutes.
Just life in general, you know. You talk about Hamburg. I was the biggest signing there in the history of the club, and I got there, and I was injured straight away. Torn my Achilles tendon, out for 9 months. My mother passed away in that time. I was out of the house for the first time. My sister got cancer, and the club was fighting against relegation, where they came from the Champions League. But all the big players, I think it was Nigel de Jong, Jerome Boateng, Rafael van der Vaart, everyone was injured at the same time. So the squad we assembled was not playing the games anymore, and we were playing against relegation, and just spending Christmas at the club, working out hard on my own, because, you know, what's the point going home and stuff like this, but you get out of it. Eventually you get out of it. That's my
also, no, a Brabo in Mukaya, on our first year now, the days from Antale 2006. Now, you did 10 million euros, Abefano, Abe PMO, Hamburg. Now, Ober Bergmo, buy or Bobby 6 games. Now, O'Brien or go out for 9 months and straight up. Season 1 Timobim, a Muana Sa time now, Nemami Efrim, this sister Enya Cancer. Masa dear Brabo, the same time, Wepra 9 months, Quanchine, Mamia Wu, sister Enya Cancer, Masa Brabo Bennett, say na ono no masa brabo no baby of inspirations as ready free and no Vincent Company and the sansem tuja we say ono Burnley omo boss no and wa chechem say no ma befa kwan obefa so ma hye no ma yenwa mo Italy opiama Italian Football Federation omo president ye fen Gabriele Gravina e ja tuja as FIGC no take advice on be take legal action e de tia omo former boss ye fe Roberto Mancini ubeka August no and what be to manim say enfia wasan so no ye adwuma bin the Azuris coach no wantimi to aso nya adwuma biem enu ntino wagya adwuma no so je 10 days later and teso akosan contract e jama Saudi Arabia national team no eso no na ebe coach ade amomo enu no panyina ko FIGC wo ye presido ye fe Gravina e da babon tabe tutwa e se e advice on person taking legal action editor Roberto Mancini so what damage you wambu no contractor masa wa ma no mantimi ankoye eno edefro eba ye jejamu na no pay eso edama mo dwumade no so na Thomas Tuchel ono so no press conference no what the atata so na no eni abusa Mr. Thomas Tuchel eso panyine na so far den na woka afa player your friend Thomas Muller saso na Dayo Pamikano Kim Min-jae o kan den afa mo so for situation no send city was say good news in Sanra Thomas Muller Kim Min-jae Dayo Pamikano omunyatimi training after the training they were feeling comfortable enti no mo twana no makikanwa e game against RB Leipzig no ombetuma jinama pia abadwuma am pia so ye kama no edefro beno chino enya biza saso mo ye ready dia Brent Matthijs delayed one search Nabri omun sensem send city na no upemo David Poker and a search Nabri obuni nsam no na the situation at saso Matthijs delayed on wenya mabak so Matthijs delayed ne search Nabri there omu ye out to a game against Leipzig omun timi mobi no edeba pemo France better than Lille omo eso diamete esia order omo eso omun 2 million euros Emma Marcelo Bielsa beka 2017 and omun ni adwuma and omu chano come se for say damage omo ekoso ye no little team into 2 million euros emfa emma Marcelo Bielsa eno edifro eba ye jamu edama mo na no pay e wo twede no so na upiamo Portugal ye mfanto anim ese upiamo ene Portuguese o Classico to dwane eno ebo 750 and we are the classic no and Opiama FC Porto kwa we Estadio da Luz amne Benfica and the apem so dajen poso na piamo ko wakrata ba kwa ye fen Abola me patro and headline no and edaso no me patro twa na se o say Classico di Sexta Anote na se Opiama joka is a Friday night classic and so much na and no twa and bibia Roger Smith mo that denim ho ebema bia come and around some Pepe on se Pepe picture das here ho ni nyina se FC Porto amfa Pepe ankopiem ewo eye game omo kobo ewo Dalus no eno ede ba ye jamu eso ede ma Manchester United and Brighton or Borough and raw kopiem akoda bi bo Edma Flamingo we ye teenager ye friend Laurent de meeting set to Brighton and Manchester United pupo adaya omu nyina e pakram ye se talks officially Ashasa Air Koso and no Edeba Saudi Arabian clubs Bakwa Jafrenum Al Hilal almost showing interest on Victor Osimhen almost promoted Real Madrid and Chelsea and ya Brepa Brantano ama Rudy Garcia and Yabetukam as a point on a casa ama so far almost official statement about once on Telman Shada as some Moke Reverend Victor Osimhen Nebum Damete as a Bajinri a bus of Victor Osimhen Bakodia Team Al Hilal from Saudi Arabia offer somebody man on 5-year deal and you have Victor Osimhen a 5-year deal national every year piano about 39 million pounds and on the bemano and watching on the asking price Napoli and 173 million pounds on Betmetria nom dinako and no edeba ye jejamu edamamo and none of pana edhow as when Newcastle United young Romania Dumaka Kramam so wakasa for fitness for Brenta your fans in Portman Bruno Guimaraes and Alexander Isak and Callum Wilson yented wakafomo
tightness so we give him every chance to be available for the game. Same with Sven, we're going to make a late check on him. Yeah, Harvey's obviously out. The other long-termers continue to be out. Joe Willock's out. Emil Kraft's out, but he plays tonight for the 21s, which is really, or 23s, really good to see Emil. Hopefully come back and do well today.
And no diao and it is some to me test more Barcelona say Anthony Marshall de Marshall law nessa de be amekasa ponche kan kum ne sort panas a poncha kan kum no nya ponche funu enu tu rama team of Barcelona sikasema kwape ento am de contract ne ba wie ya na ye monitor on season para wie ye pe owura ye friend Marshall no contract no apra wie na mbom United option to extend for another year na mbom team of Barcelona eso mo monitor situation basa akoda no bekwa o metabri ni setabrinwa na be pem wo eye o mago prama no so am na badwuma de Barcelona na akoda for Lamine Yamal 16-year-old winger no akoda no o sign contract renewal no e wo possible July na mom aka ne official signature and official announcement Barcelona point for say the official ceremony and renewal ceremony no e beto on the 2nd of October and betuma ba the contract no was sell 2026 release clause 1 billion euros e do dia shame and no e dey ba na Barca lineup no and ne omo bargain Sevilla say na lineup no e so betuma ko urama goalkeeper Marc-André ter Stegen Sasra João Cancelo João Alejandro Balde João Andreas Christensen and Jules Koundé João Oriol Romeo Ike Gundogan Sasra Gavi João Lamine Yamal Robert Lewandowski and João Felix omo and ebebo and game bibia sesa abra Rafael Mel ebeli di Sevilla team no Ivan Rakitic babonachi and Yawo Neland da post no body and Ramos bofem 5 ature Pepe Sergio Ramos no na wanya Jesus Navas right back na wanya Pedrosa Leba Fernando ebe o FIFA na so La Bentia Yefe Luka Bakio esobetwa enchancha ona Lucas Ocampos eswatwa enifaso enu ye omo be sha se dem Sevilla no na uko Jude Bellingham on se Jude mu jata hey Jude abrante no de me tene na no pai ese Massimo Frenchi opiem the Golden Boy Award o for Massimo Frenchi ono a Golden Boy co-founder and de tuta ye busanze so far currently Golden Boy Awards standings na one elite wasi juno na Jamal Musiala na elite na uramo July aso na Jamal Musiala na elite na mom ye wuram sese pa August mu de o ma swape ama Jude Bellingham na ability ama Jamal Musiala abeda second na urafa Massimo Frenchi e de tuta esa ono oni right so to aba no right so be to aba anka ono obeto e de ama Jude Bellingham Jude mu jata hey Jude no na senka bibia from Birmingham to the Bernabeu you san sama sa ba bia rade to abedru no na oda so daye esa ubeto abedru ha from Birmingham to the Bernabeu was anadwubia no so daye enu ye Jude no ne ta ho sa no ahon Brazil ku no na mom owura friend Massimo Frenchi eso ogide ma passe on favorite to be win Golden Boy Award no ebeko edi ama Jude Bellingham enu de te non tu na nya bo ye dan ho ne de ye nsem kakra be wi a jaka nyina be to so edi ama mo
wahwese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo baskets ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakasira wo se untimi chance ye me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro iniane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua kakọ merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landing of Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you could walk away with the grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
The eagerly anticipated Pick One game has arrived with a bang. Choose your favorite number from 1 to 36. Stake and get ready for the excitement as we unveil the lucky number. Prepare yourself to unleash even more moolah by staking from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis and win 26 times your stake on the amazing Pick One game. Play by dialing *946# on all networks. You can also play via our website or download the Game Park app on www.gameparkgames.com. Watch our live draws on Adom TV at 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. daily. Game Park, more moolah, more power. This game is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18 years. Play responsibly.
Omayiri yawo edubuachi onyame akoa ya wieye pray wade tumi asene wo free food for thought adesie nyina ene yankwankra bi a how done so September Liberty Conference epepaso na bebaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries Kumasi Harper Road asemu ayakasa ho ye free asomafo se etiedio no nwochi temumi no akopem yensa Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3 shaneson say we ye burning of arrows part 2 anopano sia pepepepe kopem Brown, Kunkru Bejaye, a damn 30th September, Kumasi Atum, Harper Road. Ajum to Freddy Jumtu, Beji Jumedia Papa, Minister Sete Champ, Yamami Mabel Archery, any resident worshipper, Minister Kwame Jedu, wɔbɛt so dwom agye dwumadie yi apaapa ɛntrɛ fie sɛ ɔhaw bi da wo so amanneɛ bi da wo so ɔdaana bi da wo so a awiei bere onyame de tumi ama ne bɔi ɔmahene yaw ɛdoboakye na saa da no ɔporonsam so wɔ na wɔbɛnya paa ɛsiane sɛ onyankopɔn a ɛgye abraham huu n'akyiri na ɔtoo ne din tete kwafra mmoa no ɔkwadua kwaduma mpa kankane a ɔda ne sesebɔ wɔbɛyi adwuma nyame ma Eddie Ahufedi Ebekoye Fee Bra Liberty Conference September edition. Oh glory hallelujah. Yaba Sompa Achedie 2023 Bible say Nyame Sompa pane say obi kon nyanka ene ewisia mob enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enwisia ene ekrafo edidi na yenko ayetimi age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598 559802 meeting biem 0598 559802 edia waso yetara 1 media na November bosome no ne be edi kan na ye chro ekrafo ni din enti sa won kransa na wo ye krani a kotro wudin e wo Sompa enkransa GCB edan ni mu ho a wo sunyane so a kotro wudin e wo Sompa sunyane night market ho a na Kumase de ekrafo nyina ba be chro wo no din e wo so am ye ni Nrom hotel de no hye e ye busumi du ba kono ne de di kan na dwumadie no ankasa de bronya bosome ne de to so aduonu ba ko me bebogya trada na de amode tom ye no ye de ama ekurafo yi wo de bibi wo 1 million what about akoko na me de abomo no so eni anwane sadi si no so nyame nhira mo pa why adie pa na yesika na yentuma so a wobetimi de aba afenso sɛ niema bi ense ye ti sɛ mo ene yanwan so a yebeji mo amu ye bi afie twam no emu adansede de mo amu nim Sompa Achedie 2023 abusuafo yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prempa obo adupɔnkɔ mu ye nyankopɔn obeyiye wiye Sompa Achedie 2023 ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwa Badaba Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV full time. Yet in Kunyaso de Mauno. Nemo birthday special and no one would do one would dano. Ya more emfa emamo. Young Roman Shase emfree Mami Pokia and then Mami Pokia were Formina Government Hospital from a Kachre Obi Sompa TV. Was my happy birthday Radin Young Shopper. Yanko Mr. Richmond Kwaku Buafo. And Mr. Richmond birthday. Mr. Richmond, we a teacher no boom for MAJHS. So happy birthday, Radin Yanko Mo by no show. Na Chem Kwadana dear MIA. Yanko Mrs. Comfort Entry. Mrs. Comfort Entry. And wawoda nese one kasa unia friend Akosia Jimfu and CM Field so Emma happy birthday. Was it all your money nano? A Radin Yanko Pon in show. Nabibia enya kama Emma. Yanko Erin Asabia. Erin Asabian Ponsa ene wawoda Nyankopon shop no mo ho ban eni boni bia no awrade emfra no na nyini be panipa eno happy birthday Erin yankasa ye ba ye frɛ no kwabna nkete champon kwabna happy birthday Nyankopon shop nen wanya 3 years na bibia enye kama eso emfama wani so ade ho nyina entimi emram saso Wasila Muhammad Wasila wo offense kokoti zongo eho na wo Nyankopon mo ho ba no mo ahode na bibia anya kama Wasila happy birthday yanko Nana Adwoa Adutwumwa Asare Nana Adwoa Adutwumwa Asare we are doctor ewo KNUST pharmacy na wo na unua so ne Mame Adwoa Adutwumwa Asare ono nursing ewo Garden City University College ya mama happy birthday mu ye ntafo enti mata ya mama happy birthday mamutri nkwa Nyankopon hya pa na bibia anye kama emfa mama ene ewo Esther Dede Daki Atipo Esther Dede Daki Atipo we Atipu Dede Daki Atipu. We are midwife new Tafo government hospital one kasa ukoliga your friend or kwaku hello kwaku na se mfie dwumadi so happy birthday na say UK na yanko yankasa yenua your friend Adoy Nurundon Douglas we assistant divisional officer grade 2 na every manager Sami and I said Dr. Sami of 21st Clinic Koforudia NSCM happy birthday emma na bibia enye kama ene wo mame Jechua Vida ya mame Jechua Vida so edini birthday nti mama happy birthday nya coupon in shop one kasa wo buy your friend pastor NSCM happy birthday nti emfa birthday special no yemfa empima Michael Asaribodu aye crowd o na Friday Odie ewramu na ya ewramu amano nse Miki boko de
Luther nyame adom bibia e kama na also
nyame adom
wonderful
osima dum ye no exactly 10:22 na me no wa wie enko
and dey fiada
Friday
na akoye fiada dey Friday bia no betwe so the golden booking code no edeba na golden booking code ne ba ehu hia se yeso ye ne yahwefo ne yetifo no ye ne omo check code na bibia akọ kama se ne de bia no medin kan chew no obenya code no ewo Betway omo air platform no so say we use a web browser say mobile phone tablet and say laptop and computer oba betway.com.gh say Betway app in this one iOS and App Store and Huawei Gallery now download here and also ubi Betway air platform now obenya a golden booking code no ewo the slider air section or into be say a slider call or slide here the second one enuni na wakleke bet now and one kasa bello di bibia the amount na hyehyɛ ne kama na yehu se na nyoma enso asiko enti ende de no and for this weekend the golden booking code no am 12 options Aston Villa and Brighton. Aston Villa win. Arsenal to win against Bournemouth. Manchester United win against Crystal Palace. Manchester City away win against Wolves. Everton win against Luton Town. West Ham win against Sheffield United. Newcastle win against Burnley. Liverpool win against Tottenham. Brentford win against Nottingham Forest. Chelsea win against Fulham. And Burnley win against Luton Town. Real Madrid win against Girona FC. Into way the options are bet with the Maya for the golden booking code. Offer full screening now. Yebehu total odds no 2042 odds. 2042 odds. And no the golden booking code. Now we know risk free. Me kind of risk free now. Ne simple. Ne tie mu say. When kana wudi channel we dey make sure say embro 50 Ghana cedis
and kind of 500,000
no 500 yeah fans
and kind of
I insanity o say dey
and kind of 500,000
50 Ghana cedis mentwa mane mbro so sa now when twa mane mbro so sa na so it means your bet should range between 1 CD to 49 CDs and now quarter crowd 50
Ghana cedis.
Data risk free is so we trying to say amount now. So Betway no se ni na India and fama wa. Betway ebetua we see kind of back at the amount.
A day Betway.
And where you don't lose anything.
Betway chawadio.
Exactly.
On beso unyesika.
Yes, channel no more than 50 Ghana cedis. Ebetima 10 CD, 5 CD. Ebetima 20 CD, 25 CDs. Odi cha on the golden booking code. Uche we are. Betway say wodia obetua ni na the amount. Say when dia obe refund usika no enso the amount obi be bisa and your code near dem mon fama yen tentem me patch your code no eno ana ma generate wa ha and also edaso no 364 0F4E 364 0F4E on penetoto empene no ana open simple Obaha, the golden booking code no obehu ewo soro hanum say when is the best obe generated from here and to the other soro hanu Betway a platform ne so on full screen Betway platform ne so obehu no wa the golden booking code eno nie 3506892 3506892 and then there was slider hanu say 3506892 3506892 simple o click here and no betting options ne the amount and the games ni be so air coso in 10 terms of who be here see any ETF near here for no and so ebe some few tips near they are prepared for China weekend nankasa oko Saudi Arabia games eba so anaza eko atay na atay for no omo na omo bo anaza oko away game way no obetima no anaza Cristiano Ronaldo team no you almost say omo be share 2 away goals minimum enti away over 1.5 away over 1.5 for another for no so almost betimenya na akoye and so the moment to ha this is the option na yepeno no wa click in the kama na oko wenim still in Saudi Arabia there will be other games as well Al Hilal and so bebo will fear against Al Shabab game no Riyadh derby enti Al Hilal and Al Shabab no the any who say two teams no be abeshe go enti both teams to score in this encounter away from there near CAF Champions League matches and so bebaso CAF Champions League matches no the ebehu Al Ahly Cairo or Bowo home against St. George's and so away first leg no lose here by 3 goals to 0 Inter Al Ahly have all but qualified but still your GDA say obebo akunkoden so obe qualify into over 1.5 for Al Ahly in this fixture still in the CAF Champions League and also obehu options be the Pyramids or Bowo home against APL GDI want to say Pyramids be winning game way odds no eswe hwan about 1.14 as at the start of end no na 1.30 so it means the chance of them winning is very high the chances of them winning by more than 1 goal and so also high into obetimi risk say game no yenya kra no yenya 2 goals wo game ni mu a ebeboa manioma and so etimi akonkan and again in the CAF Champions League your Orlando Pirates against Jwaneng Galaxy Omulusu first game no make Pirates on away Omubabebo home they need a win to qualify a win of 2-0 be qualify 2-1 Anshana anye enough because of the away goal rule into the best year for Pirates and they say obetimi win no win ani empesi abeya higher hu bebre so what we want to go here is the safest option next ya press Orlando Pirates no actress no obenya win or draw na wetimi akonenim and that is the option that we are choosing Pirates to win or draw in this encounter ye feel say Barca ne se bi a game on mebo ende nyumbre no actress no Barcelona will get a win at home betway my options be say one person will be hwehwe ne 10 over this search engine pen and wa be bie options ni be the amount and na wan kasa bebo enso until La Liga no e bie kama yehu Barcelona, yehu Real Madrid, yehu Girona. So we can just click on these options or move forward. See, if you moving forward, simply we come here near Barcelona. Into no ankasa be biama na yehu se na nyoma enso esieko into BAR na yenya C na ebie Barcelona na dia mae. Eno abetwe Barca matches ni na simply yes chepe na yakoye nim ni ehu se na yesu ye nioma enti etwe ye be hu Barcelona games or mobile bebo ni choose Barcelona Sevilla na atwe the account so just these options o power bit me join is o person already become so you can still continue to add but me generating is say this is a code 36415BD 36415BD into way a code e dey ma on Friday attached to the golden booking code from Betway into Ucha way now nyakakra near the no guso for the weekend Saturday and Sunday into Luther with the Betway no and so ebesi wa ha Medina Barca so Barca's future is in the hands of 9 people yenye hu omudin ye the jury that will sit on the Negreira case Caso Negreira omoba betina so no mahwe once I know am say ya charge Barca with active bribery. Now the other parties involved are Sandro Rosell, Josep Maria Bartomeu, former presidents of Barca, Ana Openi Enriquez Negreira on Eneba. So they will look into the case no matter idea. Now, say jury no nipan kono 9 people na betina so. Into omabo mo betuna na betre say if Barca are indeed culpable as charged. Say sanity dia Barca could face several sanctions. Now the latest they said they could even face a ban from operating. It means that someone to me operating as an entity no more in the club could head towards bankruptcy at the Nyoma Beba. But in the event says I didn't nyambe mo court no kro mu nyanko ye no. There is good news to share from the camp of Barca. In recent times, Arnie and Time takes a good news. APM ɛwɔ Barca asɔyɛ nti ɛndɛ abe I think it is necessary to see any TF4 any for and so share. Barca had a record-breaking financial year in 2022-2023 in Chemuni NE. Now Barca club they made a net profit of 304 million euros. You can net profit I say yachete tax ni interest ni BBA free mono. Sika Barca nya yem fasono 304 million euros. Now we no almost say omo fapem ba ku mienu miense bi ejina so a e ma saade we no etimi ebe mu ba ku omo commercial activities and our commercial operations and then venue operations. But the crucial aspect about the chain breaker and the line breaker and the ice breaker was also Barca at 15% of the La Liga TV right now. But in terms of commercial and venue operations, they were able to make much more revenue or generate much more income. And the Buamo Mudru baby sir. Now Barca 15% La Liga TV rights a man of 405 million euros. Barca making net profit of 304. And it means Barca operating expenses as against Barca operating income and our revenue and our the gross profit na biano 1 billion plus but difference a woman na 90 million euros na gross profit na 1.19 something and operating income expenses and say 1.01 something so difference so the line breaker here was a 15% La Liga TV rights no moton and the boy moment to realize 304 million euros after a deductions near there. In terms of more commercial operations, Barca generated a revenue of 351 million euros, an increase of 43% when they compare the previous year. Now commercial near there, Jumedia Barca bedi in terms of sponsorships near there, but also omo Barca stores Jumedi omudi e-commerce jerseys omo Tony ade ni no form part of the commercial activities of Barca nyai. So in terms of sponsorship particularly Barca nya 200 million euros a new sponsors are omo ba on board and so a record and so at the moment. Then in the 2022-2023 season Barca nya new sponsorships are number near 20 and no generating 97.6 million euros and here for new sponsors. What's American sponsors and 200 million no new sponsors no baku 20 exactly for that year 97.6 million euros. Ebine Spotify, Bimbo, Whitebet, Scotia Bank, Stanley, ni nyina ka ho bia omo dis ka buy. But anya Barca mema no nko an nya iska no. Ye ka Barca na Barca is a true embodiment of a sporting entity.
Okay.
Basketball room, volleyball room, netball room, and even Barca man. Exactly. Enti Barca man say omo tuminya omo ankasa omo sikasem omo nya 7.8 million in terms of sponsorship, which is an increase of 95%. From the 2021-2022 season. Then in 2022-2023, omunya 6 new other sponsors are almost signing almost for a value of 36 million euros. But I don't know, they are not going to take effect until this season. All those almost signing last season there, but a bit taking effect in the 2023-2024 season. In just say, omobo branding prempreno, not omobo bisu for dachi, which is good in terms of how you run a club as big as Barcelona. Still on commercial, you will be a friend of BLM, and you Barca licensing and merchandising. And then they say a ton Barca honey my paraphernalia, you ton jersey, you ton cap, you ton mag, you ton pen, ni nano. And also Barca for no realize a 54% increase. Your physical sales, and here the Okotowo store, and you want e-commerce. E-commerce near on the website, on the internet. Jumedia would this all to Barca honey mano. And also more 47% increment. Into overall no omoke kabo mwane as a nyoma konenim but baby here pani a women's clothing. Now it means a ma enter there a man nyoma for Barcelona hono ye tone pa and sales are rising 275%.
Hey, and your cost
yes, in terms of women's clothing. Sales are rising 275%. And then almost stores nibi. In 2022-2023 seasons, almost 8 new points of sales. This is Barcelona. They are a big club. enti omo de omo to omo jerseys dada but e won hia so omo san so tre omo ahye mu but we no last season omo tre omo ahye ni omo be 8 new point of sales for Barca merchandising
said the bay opom no money be ato ha
obenya enti emu 4 e wo Barcelona baako wo Tarragona baako wo Madrid ana mienu enso new corners e wo El Corte Inglés department stores no Maria Cristina ana Plaza Catalunya ni ina no e wo Barcelona mpotemo e dawson and the other key aspect no enso your venue operations in terms of venue operations no the last time I allow say Barca a domni na eba new camp no was 2018-2019 season before COVID. Into COVID time ne buy no a Barca pa they needed to bounce back and in bouncing back last season almost be a full second no bet me admit and the whole of Europe UEFA 4-year estimate to be say omo year ranking say a club obey na ne stadium a dom back as pano it was Barcelona na on the average omunya the highest attendance across Europe.
Okay.
Now last season Barca turned 1 million tickets. Last season on 1 million tickets generating 121 million euros for Air Barcelona Football Club. Any member Anna Emano so enya 2.7 million euros. So Ochina Yaba will do a detailed financial briefing of Barcelona Neo Musica Semne saying man yoma and so to me con so although the picture does not look so positive in terms of refereeing case near the end, there was good news from the camp of Barca. That was yesterday. Every Barca fan should be proud of the club. They are indeed more than a club.
Me da say any of Michael Asaribo na hotel in Kano high Sompa 93.1 full time. And I think kunwa so de man 21st clinic say kan cho say sciatica pa de enyo mo bi ntimi nsama ho. Ntim fanko na ntenant ba bia mo ko bukata. Fabra no muntu asem pam ne ma ho. Eno ye 21st clinic no no. Eno achi no senya sciatica nkwan wo sa. Yade bebre wo de bibidro na say yade. Na obi sasa sciatica na yade be eso na nkokom na ko to ase na wotwetwe na ma veins ni nyina etitiriti ya kasa kwa ha na wanya baabi mu anso wanya baabi antena anye ye nsuo tutu awo ba ene jejeje na wuwu eno na yefe ne sciatica okombe tu ase ama ebegira afi ni padua no so ya de biase adokro no omo lab technicians ombe wura mojanum ahwe ya de kro ehunu aduro de kamoja na ya de kro no be film e wo se ya di mfidi a scan ni padua na omo nkrofo so scan machines so doctors and nurses omo abina omo bro mo ase omo krokro nipa eso adwuma 21st clinic enu ntidi ya kan say 21st clinic more than 15 branches ewo Ghana Kumase omo ehwa overseas junction omo ben Alpha Radio Takrade ebi o sunwane ebi o ho Accra omo Dome market saso no boase ebi o ho du court junction ho a obehu no omo ho ena nkranza miamia bebre frɛ number is here 0540311311 0540311311 Papa Poku atena say Papa boko de
nyame adum bibia boko mira nyame adum ene ye da bia mani age o me kra pa mu na ene san yefiada na
krada
mani age pa
kra ko fi ani age
nyame nim kra ni say obi bufu pa na o ma me $50,000 this year metima ka say radio no kra nka ne ya bibia me de adu na me de besi
obi bufu no ma say
$50,000 and na so say bia senior man say na ne bufu a ana da mamfo ne ba ka metim ene ya ne mahu na no pe ya kra mo di a kire me no nka radio no me de besi ene ya because and then I mean time can say name they say sifiada sir because one of my darkest moments fisi eba fi ha no after World Cup no kiti nkaminya me nkwa free me sem
oh wow
yeah but then the confirmation aba anti kremo ba me yewia and then me nyesho se me kasa kra me yewe ni wia edu ho na audio mo video no na yankopon kwane ne kwafo me chairman de so bia nim se Ghana on pa ne nim adwuma da no ye Korea so no ne nim adwuma ye koto aba wo Europe no ne nim adwuma Papua New Guinea onim adwuma China onim adwuma Jose Mourinho ba bia be fa bia boy ai onim adwuma se bia
ena Syria shasi ye
nti central ni bia ono no na adwuma ye no pese obekọ damam hobi no ena wako bisa me chairman question say ke ne free say o start adwuma 20 years ni no 6 matches awabo awahwie pa ni o
West season awashasi
yeah
6 no so we win back pe o and we draw 2 and we lose 3
erade Mr. Bomba me chairman bra na mo de me chairman ware nana na dey na si Unyanko ya semia no nkyere se twani akomia me ofa see. Ewi ase ne ye kasa ya nya botre e yampa. Ojutum. So we are West Start. Now, Ampa, it is also the first time our AS Roma are finals back to back. Ewo Europe. And it's now the person did to Jenny and say, and then bring baby or one, he has to get out of that moment.
Okay.
Now, this is not the time to cry. But ebeba obey you when you ma mijinidi. Tino munya botre. Abeto Giladino shene 4-1. On the January. Wow. Yɛhwɛ sɛ a table no sisi a na yɛhu sɛ nsɛm a ɛto awurade nyame deɛ duru deɛ gye sɛ nyame bɛm nyɛ sɛ amkyɛm a bɛtumi akɔ relegation
16th position.
Chelsea how many points?
Sompa Sports.
I say you can't.
Chelsea how many points?
Young Castle.
Chelsea about 6 matches only need 5 points. Me chama so there to Chelsea no. Ebi na to me chama na nyame sibɛhwɛ no na ayɛ dene. Anɔpɛ press conference na koso ameti Ateta de na wada mama yenya bitie no na Ateta nkasa ye mu no na kyerɛ sɛ ensɛm ne ba ko kan ya so many eye nipa na Andoni Iraola coach a on ne bɔ no eye as a footballer wada ma yenti Ateta nsɛm o de to in central for him.
Yesterday that you were the player above the rest of that pack that came through at the same time. What do you remember of him from when you were there?
I would say the same. I think he was better technically, especially than everybody else. He used to play as a winger, that winger coming inside when he was younger, and then as he got a little bit older in his career, he played as a fullback. He will be an incredible fullback, inverted fullback to play there. He will be a dream for any manager to have a player like him. Really intelligent, really skillful. And yeah, very good to play with him.
Mirai, I'm for camera into me, so I'm in cancer when Nigeria singing. Sa rule be our friend inverted fullback. No, I'm on a Bobby no. Cancelo, a Bobby was City, and a Trent to Bobby or Liverpool. And yet, then never you Mira,
sir.
And now Pep Guardiola ne club Pamako inverted fullback. Hey. That will be nyada jeni wa o hwemi team no player a friend Maxwell no a Brazil ni bisa obo PSG ni Barcelona nyina no na Inter nyada je pa na hwe no se Daniel Alves ya inverted fullback otim be wurem na obobo ni bi no me atade me de me kon ebeto so Maxwell was the best inverted fullback me suro say me need the right story because Barcelona na me ni hobby but I'm of the view se sa de na Pep Guardiola suan o suan e bra na Maxwell e bo Barcelona no
okay
o suan e bra na Maxwell we o bo Barcelona no bra se fullback o me wura mfimfin no mo bo ni bi Maxwell ana na jai na bibi na eka o ntia any prane ni tie na nye Maxwell we no oni mbopa sabo na John Stones born last season na man for see o timi ba be boss 6 we no timi ko bobi. But time now Pep ewo Barcelona na no hwe obe fi on na Brazil ni bi o prepare friend Edmilson no boss abo ni e bia na Rafael Marquez nso bon
okay
Mexico ni Rafael Marquez no number 5 but mo bobo so be ginam no Bobby Andoni Iraola was one of the best players at Athletic Bilbao na unse coach Ateta no one Xabi Alonso ni na no mo Sociedad 2003 Kakitu have been come to league for Real Madrid in seven.
Sir,
the year 2002-2003 season. Na Ateta any Alonso. Oh, Nana Jai. Until they saw him because Accra 2002-2003 and na Iraola born the first game at Bilbao. Or one of those boys through and through Basque. Unsa Sociedad don't so a Basque. Ha no ni na o born team, ni Chrome team. Or from academy in Lezama and no first team no. And no boy, Omoji European Championship 2008 no. No mo left back no Villarreal. Me fini din kakra. Spain for no. No mo left back. No fi Villarreal. Oni ma kwose na neighbor. Oboche ya amza mo kai din na ma ka kire me. No nimbo.
Cap de Villa.
One Cap de Villa. On na ma left back me bro mo 90 but we any time no obi shy. And then 2012,
Sompa Sports
European Championship no be defending and no prior na one from Bishim. Ntina ni team enye ba no ni ball pa. He was an ever present. So we the free kick and the penalty to her. Da. Because of a set piece specialist. And then when he's become a very good coach. You know, you're right by Kano, no, and no, and Nababi Primo ha, and they all year Juma and so how the boy there tear Arsenal. I mean, kind of because almost shasi, you know, nothing on say a crack it wa. Oh, but FIFA, I will be about Timana Usia kind and so ho. Mira, my last story that come de about time kakra.
Oh, be Mama be 3 minutes.
Okay. And on Nigeria, Boca Juniors and the Palmeiras. Send an annual international and the Flamingo. No, ya bobo na. And I say, Palmeiras, some goalkeeper friend say we're vetting on another man of the match. No, they are Di Benedetto and then the Boca Juniors for no come your more manti. He said, the question say this a next round. No, any be who you are qualified. Nimi nuna and then draw 2-2 bako and a goalless and so bakwa and the year anymore. Uruguay or mine or more choir or more fast every national team players.
Okay.
Na Oscar Washington Tabares or be kind of Mr. Or calling them Europe now or buy him. And I bet na se structure ya name Brazil nya Uruguay nya president me and friend Jose Mujica. Akokrebia not take man on your salary no just annual money bin. No a farmer.
Okay.
Na Jose Mujica no. And no tena se no catch you say some more friend cry especially on Diego Lugano Munye. President in the Tarivasa. And no catch you say some more friend especially in cross on the boy Uruguay national team na. Yeah, among emphasis of mammy muso. No one can share crown. And I bet to Tabares, Oscar Tabares, and Silberto say on the president at Nasi. So more cast them crown, saying he and a Ukromon or more funny serious. No more national team call up and say, a before. Women they are not still a post. Bills and air coach. And I'm weak as senior president. Now, no, Charolago, one of the teams that were crassy. More players about Uruguay under 14. No more Akrebi or Cherolago or Mujidi say is one of the best coming through. If any Jose Acosta. Yeah, you come for us, friend.
La noticia es que el jueves 6:30 de la mañana vamos a Montevideo, que te llamaron de la selección de sub-14.
Uruguay. Mentira.
Fuimos a firmar para.
Anajo, before our wedding, be a coda, Robert Ron, and the Mammy Acoca and say, a channel papa Semania, Mania, Omoko Montevideo. No, say I dare not see you. They say a friend will national under 14, and no is uni. Obiama match. I'm a Wajawa Mawai Bas Adanka Uda.
A biasida.
Oh, some of them in himself, no. Yeah, me, man. Say, get beat me do what that down. I'm managerial, no Kakrana, they are shame now, bottom, now Bofeche. I will Jawa, I feel now Boboni Dinda. Maybe to me now, way.
When I'm saying Mahubida.
Well, I'll go home, why? Maybe I'm now being here. I don't know your office on our Kumiadawa, no, nay, didn't ya? So, Alexis Ovidiu Becca Nisi Akai Edema team. If any Nice or France. Nana, and then I could jina baby of France or Rino Wabe Toffo. No way.
Me room that me who say yes.
Or see you. I could jina motorway 888. The suspension see in your bridge now. Nana Ube who says
Sompa Sports.
What I say? Police for and the fire service. I could jina the NSA. Or more panic in the dianos on the almost sereno. Nice or a Congo new. And Obama France. Alexis Becca. Now no can free Russia Sabai. Obama France nia. Nana, Baunia say gay be a Jan Tino. Oku. But my cancer for baby afa Alexis Becca. But Omunim ya Femuntino. No.
Toso na so ni dem. Toso na se no dem. Obia wo su no toso no.
Yeah.
Boss, good morning.
Why experience with that? When you blow job, Papa, blow job, massive 15 minutes there.
Davy.
When you blow job, born in blow job there.
I mean,
then.
Say, Berman, all down was sipo na. Obana de, why you know?
Or didn't know then.
Or then what do Berman I say? Obana no.
I won't audition and no man on audition.
Or not admission.
Sompa Sports.
When you be 15 minutes intensive there.
Davy.
Okay. So unti near attacker by young man. You don't blame the person. And our film but say Omo Ben or no and the team to work on him. We're emotional, we're psychological matter. Kakra futu kakra abutrebe dimre. Obuwa only experience. We're a young player. The first time I want you matches, but there will be a brew dream into your so.
This is amazing. Somebody sent for you. African child, Kumo.
Yes.
Girl be my match one baby and she left. Like years ni. And then me rasta no.
Oh, it's true.
It did happen.
Yeah, no. Look.
Kumo.
Sir, I didn't know and two down. I always tell but don't criticize what you have no experience or you don't understand. Yeah. And you say young player no nyi nyansa. Ebi asem na to no. Ebetimi atu bia bema bia otia program we ebia to bema be breeder. Obu o lady bi o ha ebia per chance asem ne by one spell no betimi afire ebi o two kon ko baby one spell. Ebi o circumstantially na aja ebia party we ko junso no na we skills kaka na also pine. Once that's it. But adia obey you no. Wanye kefo no yiri da okra na okai. And sometimes we only yiri da okra okai. One share no ko buntina na nko ko bon ko fodin omune omuyiri ka e hye mu no ko bobidin no. So they say a foul trim. Yes pa massive. Your ladies boy incessively obema massive backstroke bia you be confused.
And the apostle it me quite to the stance say obi create me modru.
Yes, of course, yes. Yes. Now only me enti abema team this kind of war no ko brango so girl na jano oni abi akomia ko nante otimi won sika se benye so onim se okowo bisika ematia enye papa ebetime chi wotum ba ne ofem no mran nyina masa sa tam nyansa na nye dwuma sa enya sem kitwa. It happens to a lot of people who share bi da obetime tran with them akane o kan mini problem but ofe bi muda but it's a wonderful experience though. We have experienced no one's no bad girls. I like bad girls in the past. I used to like bad girls because someone on Bema match out say feel free bet too correct. Ubuso Bema was always siphons of Bema. Yes, 360 degrees correct. Oh yes, so that's it. So don't blame her. Don't blame don't blame the young man. There's a making sure say at least kakra on advice the guy he has potential, very good potential. But never wait to me ma. Maybe there are people, young men are more great potential. So some academicians, but Obama never be say because of such experiences, psychology cannot find a trim. So there's on tiasia. A young man be or essentially me body the umunya munim no. Me body the kana. Woman be command back up. Now I say anytime your barber frustrated emotionally, a dangerous time for the woman. The next person I be a tano kasa smoothly clinical. Why you mistake on the better here? Okay, idea about women. Yeah. And as I'm no come young guy match back on. Now therefore Jeff travel or be was a mbwadi. I say me never and I crowd I gonna go about them. Yeah. For 1 year no new juma.
Sir,
I thought
Obano crack chain on no Beman penny.
Oh, Chen, but I didn't assemble the buy, or there's a Chen penny. And I said, penny be a penny be match. And a penny na jaubano. And I yell some reno na boy cosiano. Some reno now or being bacumano. To be bacumano war, you know. Now funny trim. A funny trim no so or call for two. And I'll sap and permanent here, wadi. Now. Usre we usre o de ase ha afi ba kwa nko djuma nyame kwa
asarebo do sis dey
akomia akomia please me pa no akra on cry
Michael akomia
mami come ansem so me feel now here oh fair mami come ansem
kramo di atoso kramo
come ansem cho here me ka kire mu nyina wa ha senyame andu a onni special grace we overflow here or the wachibeka for simple Luta, menye danjwa wenum zo media. This thing, attach me, obia. Just special grace from God. At the time, Oshano, na nyami grace na bomu. Obeko simple, cry. We, you go simple. I don't know. Members, we are moved by what to see. Yes, why?
Kaish.
Look at this point, Urefi say Bibi or friend Yusuf. Yes. I'm telling you the truth. Right? Son himself Samson, Yawono. The Beth was professor, son himself. Me know yes, a Bev, and Professor Bev. I can so be Israel for free Philistine Kwansumi boy.
Atapokudiana.
To our share Delilah we are. I didn't ever too.
When a papa no call Egypt nana.
I'm forward in
So look. Sir. Huh? Only Niema ya promiser. Do mere we ya promiser e refi say ni nyanza no.
Dabi.
Emre we dey promise Allah. Wasa? I no know ka to ban say airport ya wodia o. Say Ghana airport ya wodia kutoka ya wodia. Wodia say. Anti
extreme extreme
very uniform, very complete uniform. Yeah. Very uniform. But we know but see for Michael, we know anyama because see we the weight on the power to pound you. Any size you'll be in trouble. Or we are just say before hospital.
Apas we mu sa no
hustle of as a 99
Jessica na bem wanya bia na say lack na bem wanya bia na
ebi wo ho a opewasem obi wa natural opewasem ba obi wo fire ba opewasem na for we fortunate na ebia wo fire first one na eso ni dey ma wo ye djuma yi a and the obepesika no but still wo be djuma no. Okay. Because can they no pa because some making sure so keep it or maintain the body ni dress ni bia. Wow, lovely. Maza me come eto asem na we medium with here.
Aka man nine.
No problem. But name we ask you. Look, Maza name we ask you.
Yeah, na mama you lose concentration
that concentration. Na concentration na chewe.
Then American say for service na say
the share yellow la ko me anya Millicent.
Man come say.
Gala ko share.
Na eto.
We na only no ko ke ko zo.
Anya no crowd from your ko. O no via ko ke.
Na come again na me uno.
Onim sad that in the history of Cameroon was produced a lot of great players. The most successful player, of course, will always be Samuel Eto'o. Because yes, Roger Miller will be the most popular player in the history of Cameroon. But in terms of success, this is a team that have produced. Jeremy Njitap. Look, who can play someone in Bobopa Njitap? Play out to me Bob 6 positions. Laurent Etame had 3 ball 6, 3 ball 8, 3 ball 2. Even the great invisible Arsenal. I mean, great players. I mean, Anto Abel, the DBA Africa, I've not seen. Yes, Anto Abel and Thomas Nkod. They have great players. Francois Omambi Kana, great players. Eto'o. So, se Eto'o omonim no Ginidi, J champions in Barcelona, Inter. The success story of this great guy. Look, yen yina ye pese ombra beye ye football. And nimdi owono ye feel say on the bar papepwa bono. So 2021, Feka for decide so. Ye to Obama no. He stood against Mbombo Njoya, the incumbent, and you 43 votes. And this was the election. Sure. Fantastic. We're winning 43 against 31 incumbent. Now a clarion call that was supposed by the president, probably. And I said, ya jin kwa ene Eto'o. Ninim dieni bra wabo ena Eto'o Oscar. Let them make a Oscar because he's invested his money wisely. And the Cameroon football best for the best. Kokrona be doors. Take out in some more than 4 decades. So omo jide upon him. Now jide omo on him and oye bibi obaye the major thing oye and yet the changes in national team so the captain will go song about national no. But the chrono cost over 20 years. I under 74 I found Kokra Foko Bono. And I decided to say best steppy the foot down. And I 21 one I call my MRI. And also ne share any problem nasi. Okay. A cabal, a business. Ye cabal group. ena kaba no so the vice president of former vice president Tumbumbo and Jala Henry are part of the cabal. Because oh tia Crawford oh Crawford brepa. So already no more change and I don't worry just 43 and 31 12 votes per the one sharing overwhelming popular opposition for her. And na downfall Valentine Quine or owner of Victoria United. And on couldn't come on. Come on, Madame for me boa. Na boa me boa no. Come on, no, ni no tip no. Boa me boa no. But your member san come akomi until BNT. I mean, on them come on. Second, come on, say, sorry, I'm born.
Dans ton match là, le numéro 2 des habits qui était là. Et il m'a interpellé, j'étais dans l'avion, il m'a écrit, il m'a dit, président, c'est qui est en train de se passer avec l'équipe de votre frère?
It's your first one Americano. In common amino babedino, in common way a kukumun komo. And to make sure set memo binti. Near tosum you no sir. 1 3 points no dear Victoria United Benya. Referee no so me suspending. Me both I said me make sure set moba. Na federations of football no media me in charge. So that's it. So we can work with the president of the referees who penalize the referee. Fine. So that's it. We according make for nice alleged because it's investigated. Cameroon police are investigating this matter. Now a buyer no eto ekokasa with Gazzetta dello Sport. Echichemu. Na eto chechemu so no crack say me din komo. Na komo na me di ye no komo no ye simple. Komo no say investor papa me nika say Valentine Esquin or investor or person this Cameroon ball mo or person man the club no dey say Cameroon team kese to say canon ya on the move breso no ana ede cotton sport garua enti eno common na me katene say me pese me protect no against referees eto cheche wonder Gazzetta dello Sport no so me pese referees be boa no ti me nin din komo say na be referees be protecting no. Now we share Pierre Semangwe na ewa ha no Pierre Semangwe president of Ghana and Quebec say ebia Gaka.
Okay.
Good. Pierre Semangwe atrama FIFA, atrama CAF. And then in Jala Henry so former Africa for vice so atrama. Almost say nia eto yi ade no ma hwe ha ma mo ntimi enye hwemfa ho pese ne. Now aside we know the allegations one aside we know one expert brand ambassador omo di eto ye say a violation of FIFA code of ethics. Anyway, one expert Rodrigo Mbenu on sign with Samuel Eto'o, one expert sign say then now we are federation president now we are brand ambassador for a betting company.
Okay.
Accusation no back no. We almost say entry FIFA entry anti Eto'o on CFM. Near to you know. Okay. To $3.8 million tax fraud over Barcelona no 2006-2009 about image right man 22 months suspension no or so tuya kakra $1.8 million euro sorry the fine on the account 3.8 no be 5.6 so tuya no to omo say oh yeah obi ti say some everybody now to me bokro no e was Spain on tuya toa. These are the things that he's facing. These are huge allegations. One is bad any allegation, a matter of ethics. Now tax fraud no say obia say no bu odi mudi enkanya say we ye bisa into agu feka for da konya no efin. Then the issue of the match fixing scandal. Hona titru ba the way account. Na me bompa say Eto'o will not be found culpable or max fixing because Abasa one year all the legend Cameroon was some top exceptional legends in their history. So legend one share here say to abama mu bi o ma be David president pa. Because way the most successful way one team and say GDS from call e man ni o ni mu na akọwie say FIFA and start here police abem Cameroonian police abem. So let's hope say Cameroonian police there be a eternal issue, but FIFA and CAF and any humpa because at the end of the day football no here enya Benjamin no here football so FIFA and CAF omo nhihye no. So I just hope say Eto will be at least almost hwehwe mu year cry almost so there be ebia said the way of cancer but in actual effect anko ye ba ne wo man hu say Victoria United you promote you about division 1
me da say apostle da say pa me fancy na many messages kakra free ha we ko kerosene watching live from Akoko Amon, wishing the best club in Ghana Accra to for good luck as they trek to Sunyai to face Bofakwa. Hi to my wife Dora Darcy. We John Akufu. Apostle has used 90% of his time to discuss Tosu. We Sadiq Osman Hazard Jeffrey. Please let us return to sports. Yeah, that's it. Emmanuel Clement or say, please let's go back here. Apostle 1 Kwabna Afrifo Wisu. Hey. Okay, we see a rich prince or say the old posting pictures and over. This guy posts all these pictures there. He has been watching Kramu. Yes, Oshe Adebio, Minty fans also. I say, Red Prince, I say, Mickey will be in this very serious trouble. I know, Mickey. And Nana Kwame Redu, Almighty Apostle, Jabua Bismarck, Jeffrey Pa, where your Collins Atapuku, okay, also didn't be firmware in Nana Kama. A lot of messages na Abba Ewaha, na Yabata Yahua by a buy the Diakan in Abetua so Eddie Amame, was Sompa 93 point.
Message na do na nya manu we ba. Ne kan nya no muka. Mema.
Okay. We wa choma ye na ye ho ye ba. Ye de aka nyina beto so eso e de am high Sompa 93.1. Okay, yeah, Shana, yeah, the normal guna come. Let me say so. Say Lucas Travel Consulting and control say Branon found two coin. So per Canada, so per United States of America. Yeah, France Schengen visa bibia piano. Lucas Travel Consult or dobe ko say. I can't no ma dey say per traveling passport uni bi obeyama. O per birth certificate obenya bi diama. And what you know, o per visa. Na say unim kwan fa so plan ko mba bua ma nsa ka ticket no nsem no. Lucas Travel Consult. Was country bay and a person called Timo guarantee or be guarantee at the amount. And what you know, so open microphone or per marketing manager, sales personnel, receptionist, administrators, shop attendant, house help, and accountant, or more Tamagov City. Lucas Travel Consult for 0534 543210 or from Omnubedin Commona Bibia, so Aqua Kama so at the amount. And what you know, maybe I try a catcher or say, you were nature medics for at the Dimpaheba Mishaba, malaria pa na adwoboso, aswafie, typhoid fever I how, and what aswapanwa posio ya asa what do, what the say ubenya Dimpaheba Misha, and what from the gas Mishaba, and we are also draw so yam tutu, asa ukra ubedi dia na yam show, Janitomwa na uyam etutua, Mansaka gasto Misha, ba osadia, and ya tatashe to us ediamao, and what you know, ya the menso plus Mishaba. And we are maso de no and maybe says to me him feel not why you sham and member na metaka member ni bo ha omope Anubom Kovic on san apostle church there you know na apostle what say Anubom Kovic
no look that no serious
Davi
there you are missing
Anubom Kovic.
Yes, when the wife on for one
Davi
no I feel I'm meeting maybe I say about you Bema be I saw to me boom.
So do boom.
Oh, super. The experience is exceptional experience.
Okay.
And I might be crap no crutch and sex. I'm telling the truth.
And they met try.
Yeah, I saw try.
Me try me set
2 weeks time try never me experience.
Mate. Mate, that's it. With the Wasumo. I know you're the American Nina so bar, so Utia, said Monitor, Nina saw him for no CC Hoye. Said the bear Bema, ba, that's what the Nanubedi do a while, Sompa, what can you pull, Nebia, Ayakama Ediamao, and unto Yamen so plus, now what treat you who come. Nina saw one each more Mr. Kumasu Benabi Jaffeba or Mancasim, Penaheba or Cape Coast, Nimdeheba, Ewa Takra, the Sasuna, and an Abuacheba, Ewa Kra, and a Tema, no Ekusamas Washaiman, and until from 0248 778 899, Nabibia, Eso Enya Kama Emfa Emao. Now, may catch us say Roxy, Esa Brasisia Brabuchi. Now, Roxy is one who did not bruchi can country ben a person obaso. On shall say Siana. Or say, so person question de wa bruchi. Obaso kobo e wa bruchi. Doba so kwena bruchi duma so kosku an kosku. What te brofo so ye bema yo ba when you sa country bia person okono obenya ho akwanya e de ama ono no owo agents ahodo ne mpanyimfo ambassadors no no mu di dwuma entu dada wo den se Roxy odo be kwa mo akoya adwuma frɛ no mfa nko teacher for wo so office na ba mesin for office ba wonya adwuma mpo obenya wo so edu akwanya adwuma obeye ni wakatu age Roxy frɛ ne sese na ni nkomo okumase abra okumase ba onu asafo VIP station o abrosa na yetwere ni mu Godi home touch na ho wo akra so kaso CP woni methodist asori dan de dem twen for mo frɛ number 0244 613 237 and okumase for 025 776730 0557 607375 mo frɛ na bia enye kama Roxy Momra no fam tukoye dan ho ye ba dia ka ne beto aso amamo
wa hwese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial *110# netua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so enia
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Hey, it's your 4 game pack 4 pick one game na ya channel. Afedia bedru. Choose one by the wakoma so. Every the number 1 equity 36. Chani boom na share ni say ube disika bocho wa bra ye number ne pie. Bobo wu na ye ready say ube di mula wa bra wucha from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis. Na face kana ube channel. Fabo home predio nusia. Me 26 times. E was up pick one game imu. Chabano abra wu star 946# on all networks. Ana aface ube timia kwenye website. Ana ube download the Game Pack app now. www.gamepackgames.com. Share live draws. Adum TV. Anopanon kron. Area Dumieno. Enyumreno isia. Debia. Game Pack. More mula. More power. Sagudi. National Lottery Authority in Sashasi. Enye more mundi mfie dumwachi. Bono washe yim.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu. Nefa wonansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem woje ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo, womuji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Womu dia bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no nso beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation ayede. Anwoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche ye, eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Seche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aji abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms, any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Right, yes, I am our Kwaba Ediba Sompa 93.1 FM. So, na channel so, ese and the normal P never because Papa Poku ha, na ne obe share something with us. Name channel say Ernest Eba Industries and can just say Ernest Ointment, no, Mr. Mounsan Kabi, Driba, Kro de se man pele no, na ajra, mo man san mabim, or Bema, no be a bon sa hua. Obi okra to me said ho nyan enka wo no ho ne nyina no say obenya Ernest Ointment na be say so fa no dan wunku na yusu ebebo apa uyuti a na no ma bia begu ti ano e ma no ho a e o mutirimu a wo de Ernest Ointment e be say so betimi sa akra de Ernest Ointment no asesi wo himfie wo kama o de aduru bia friend awake natural capsules e no e ya aduru bia mema eboamo e ma eboamo wo a wuni atenka so ye oba so ye bema etimi boa papa e no chi no obema sia no wajamu ena bema prostrate won sensem nyina no awake natural capsules no ebetuma aboa pa ena uyo bia ya no wonu nya wodidi a chese won tehwe ni nyina no nya bia ebetuma aboa papa na wo pani dosopo tu akoto a number me di tudwai na wafre mpanyimfo beje na ba bia wo bia no ya bro bia mo aton e wonkomo bia no no mu eni na mum chance woni 12 years a untimi anum bi ena yo bia wo yo pemfo a untimi num bi wo yo bata ma akoda no fo a eno so bia enye na mom okọ Accra Okaishi drug lane e wona Kings Walk Heba ewo ubenya bi ho Repash Heba ewo Accra Tinata Heba ewo Accra Baseline Pharmacy Nisi Pharmacy and Rejos omunyina ewo Accra okọ abenya bi okọ Koforodua Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Drug Right Pharmacy and a Beno Pharmacy in Koko, your Wusko B Pharmacy, Hillside Pharmacy and a BB Pharmacy and a Kaswa Tribe of Judah, Eswo Nakumasi or Dan Heba, Mr. Ba, Kolina Keba, Habme Pharmacy and a Kriske Heba, or a baby Audu and Ichawa, Ubetimi and your Biama Biaso Ayakama Eso Ediamao, and to Kona Kojibi, Nebia and Yakama Eso Emfa Emana Game Park for say and also yes Keniwati. Diana also and will be chose cano, a woman. De chow nina so far phone a network a used to be ano dial star 946 hash star 946 hash na network biano to me dale na team number na 1 to 36 na nina na select o number na select o number na eto na eba tran 1 CD from 1 city to 35 Ghana cedis and 350 Ghana cedis 1 city to 350 Ghana cedis and I'll be trying na udia the man ye denye so dia sika be twa na 5 cities na odi twa na ye do 5 cities na at times 26 na ye the amount to try 350 Ghana cedis 350 cities times 26 na the amount e bebre oko omu website www.gamepackgames.com and I say o dial star 946 asha bibia be kama e the amount uni 18 years a untimi fa ho enwuram eno e the dawa ye the emam nemom opiema Vodafone e the amazing offer bi eba e Vodafone fixed broadband ni nyina no se omo se bra na ma internet no enkwe emfama enu nti no Vodafone fixed broadband no de omo eye no se omo ma offer no se new customers no se uto eye broadband ni bia for 1 month per unya 50% bonus data and now you be ultimate 3-month subscription and so ye ma 50% bonus data no ma say free installation and so ediama ni nyina ne Vodafone for and abenya we wo de dial star 900 hash and after 0505 555 111 0505 555 111 and I come in Vodafone app no so a ube se bibia da na wa follow na ayekama eso ediama eno ensem so eno no na miso fruit drink drink papa program bia so nya bi no beboa dia me den say drink ba ko a enkramofo program o magin mu a Christopher program o magin mu baby Adamu Safo no so kura so ajafa eno ye miso fruit drink free fruit papa ya wo mango ho ene o pineapple ena eno che da fidiem unya bia bebo ayaresabia eno na nkrofo nom wanum dawo yesa di misa 5G aba wona ntia no abre waye kese ebe na ne srade ne adiama sasura bem ebe mo sisim aye dina mo afrompa because jinsin wom sasura green tea no guarana ne no me wom no test ne yakama ene misa 5G frenamba na babia obia no ene miso fruit drink no yemro obi na ton na nyamfa so bebre 0246 270221 0246 270 221 offer ya be jo so na bia obia no ya bro obia mo ato call manager Daniel ho e wo ehwe overseas Kumasi 21st clinical ubenya bi so ho tu akwakoton na bia so aye fine eno e de da ho na Royal Foam Ghana Limited for say and control say wo de bra na dana da yie na unya mattress papa so na hu sesa no nsia kroba no pa wonte na wanya mattress papa so na wo ne from sori kwa adwuma no enyenyenyenyenye ni nyina na se obekọ eye Royal Foam mattress no da so am bia kama eno mo so bepiem e o mo factory premises a e wa sokore mamponkumase a o mo showroom na ho no bra na bebo ani akoma keke betwa mattress mu papa mattress a wo de hotel ani akese form pempem da so kra na enfon emem nkom ene Royal Foam Ghana Limited o mattress no tono ne chose ye mau discount am be come but omo branch bia no kona ko mi friend number 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 Royal Foam rest assured 52 estate construction sen kanto say beja asase na yusu asase keka wani hom asase bukata sem bia ni so asase landguard enyina asase nana no entom ani pamiensa usike so a hode wasem nso a ne nyina nsa oba omo pam tran installment basis tran kakra na beja asase ukura 15,000 a ubenya half plot ukura 30,000 uji full plot sasu na bia wo bia no benya hono wasase amia diama eno achi no mo se upefi ato a ombenya bia ma sasu ana o pe se wanya asase o pomo be sifia ma o pomo be woya o mo be boso mo be pentiri nyina no 52 estate construction ombenya mo so wuni ha na wo japade wasifie wo japade bi wo ho o probi amna hweso ediama wa fa beja omo udi ja wo faase udi ja busia ampe brefo no obeba no ma ton adi obeba no ma se no eno ena beka mi hu yanka nti fa beja omo no mo ho ban no mo hwe ne kama emfama na kuma so mo wo page 4 anto kwa no so akra esubo mo Kesman Junction eye jempa atmo takwa no so mo Covme Plaza na from 0556 723338 and 0531 525797 or from bibia ebe kama Trinity of Arc Limited say akwanto no nkwa na onko na brawo ho nyakokoduro na beka chom so mo ka so mo we tu kwan na omo amfna ntu enu achi no wana de passport bre omo a nipa na sa beje ne passport ana visa emom Trinity of Arc company for say enya sa no mote o de bra companies ni do so we health worker nkwan dia what wadi ni nyina so a lab technician midwife we saso nurse bra obaso okosua de diploma certificate be na ape Trinity of Arc Limited and do echo se bra no mfa nko no bianye kama na eba Schengen visa ana se UK ba bia pe bia no do ko na se kuma so mo ado ato masala chi ni nchen wa ben Abrepo Junction obetimi afro so 0531 644217 and 0531 633556 and 0205 57 2076 Accra kaso new market na kwan na Fidelity Bank one Fidelity Bank abroad sana kra no first floor na be hu omo onu enim komona bibia eso enya kama eso emfa ema eno e de tie na ni what Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services as a Dr. Nimo, good morning. Dr. Nimo say yes, sexually transmitted diseases and now we are there wakwakote boys in the mate maso no wakwakoka adia enu kwanso okoka enu to se bra no akwete nkwa dia odada enso na egugu be ma no hye boxer na nsuo fita bi fimu ba na che boxer no uwaya na wakatu ni na wuti ni suo enu achini typhoid hepatitis south stroke diabetes uwo kasemu obi kasemu tutu na mu dwan no emu ye ne ya okwani nyina no oba tu ho anamo atu afiro oba wonama hebema de ne bema no ye ne hena otimi de session botom na wotiti oba wonam ni no wa himfo ya ohene obeda titi masa munya problem enu telefone kiremo ni what Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services na onto ase emfa emao enamu ya debi ode bibidro ebesa ya dem pempem and wasa kuma se when kira kwan ewo atonsumo na ko junction onye dancing rub bank ne dem hwe Accra so no odru circle photo frama inside one wo on golf filling station e be a one ernest chemist ene dem hwe friend 0244 087687 and 087 na kuma se o se oye adwuma eda duoda kosime menenda no pa 7:30 kose nwure no nsia Accra so no oye adwuma ya wada ekosime menenda 7:30 to 6 pm ko na onsa yade ahodo emfa emao eno ede tie a yade emao ewo dwuma de so yanko na ene Aminu Shado enko di enkomo na bi on say Ghana ye Black Stars na Aminu Shado ene ye team manager Michael Asaribodu Aminu Shado abaso ni nkomo
Luther ye ne general manager Dreams FC ndi nkomo dodo no mo ni di agro de do omo fe ne gimmicks bibi awoko
Sompa Sports.
Okay Otemenka Wonderful. Na Sierra Leone te say boy enkomo e enra na mu free Ghana ekopie mu ewo Sierra Leone moko but mo second leg encounter of a CAF Confederation Cup final qualifier. Akwento no emun sensem ne 80 saying obetimi af the FM kakra.
Well, Michael, me that's CP, me chair with you for ni wahwe for ni. Point of correction. The fact of the matter is Calon FC no move for Sierra Leone. Ball against a Sierra Leonean club called Calon FC. Na mo match no ye born in Liberia. Because regulatory issues omo face here was Sierra Leone no CAF ama ho kwan. So omo match na was Sierra Leone. Match na ye free Sierra Leone ball Liberia. Nti see am no ka say ye was Liberia. Painesville, close my friend Painesville, to be precise. We are just 10 minutes away from the stadium. In any correction,
okay.
To your substantive issue, and time difference near the same. Ghana time, like real time, no difference be anymore. It's the same time. Namencha the 3 p.m. and a bedroom. Your flight and touch it down. Monrovia Airport. It was about like a 15 minutes drive from the airport to your hotel because usually airport were the outskirts of town and you drive here into your hotel. Everything is fine. The boys, players, technical team now Mumbai they are settling well. See I him say and then 4 p.m. they be called to the match at SKD Stadium. They will be into the Hanum. Just 10 minutes drive away. Okay. Just waiting to go to the emotions. Buama Yabo match Amaya pick the needed result and then qualify to the stage of the competition.
First leg no year 2-1 ewo Ghana hanum say a man here quite tricky kakra because for more away go any idea saying a more as a team and come up na modidi to make sure say mobile prevent any kind of a hindrance be able to qualify.
Well, first and foremost, after first leg match, post-mortem, a thorough analysis of game 9 boy against Calon FC 4. Now, the outcome of that analysis clearly say, even though Calon FC 4 a very good side, I must admit, their quality is not superior than us. In fact, on the day, we'll probably be talking out about a more comfortable first leg advantage. And the quality Nomokano is the same quality we are going to meet in the second leg. Of course, and also backed by the fact that they are not going to even play in their home stadium. They are playing the new ground. Neutral ground in a Bobono. Okay. All these things come together and my lot of confidence going into this game because they are not of superior quality, they are no better than us. If able to work on our finishing and see the chances are creating, we should be able to. We will be okay. And a lot of confidence. We think we can make it.
Now, in terms of training arrangements, near there at the saying for Ende and Yankopon Yadomochina.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, very shadow.
Sompa Sports.
Gimmicks, what do you mean, Ka?
Sompa Sports.
Okay, yeah, say you bet me asan so I connect back. And Luther, I mean Sharoni and then the come all the way Liberia. Dreams prepare say Omone Calon for never board. Now maybe sano about training arrangements near the before so be baby and come on need dia mo ane say Leon for no omo issues kakra with omo stadium licensing home sense. Okay. Into you move game no from Calon for no man kasa omo traditional home. They are called Liberia. Into game never bass or Liberia. Into be home away from home for Calon FC. Dreams is so bad away there, but away at a neutral ground. Into Sana Sheshe no see here. No so mo kokodri no matter draw mo kakra or more facility no mo on the outskirts of a chrome kakra. Into ama atmosphere ni bibiano at the demo anesa. And I say a bank coastal line so inti or motivated draw mo kama hese bibi abe konkan. And maybe saying about 2-1 results na omunyaye. No say a tricky there. And untina after omu game na no omo sin konya esha se di nkomo say kwan ben omo be faswa omo betimi esi bibi disappointment and frustrating e bia anokwan ahead of a second leg. No say omo didi nkomo ye no amama obia te ne ho ase say wo role a be playing as a player, role a be playing as a coach, wo role a be playing as a management staff ni na no bia Canada abom abo ehun say botaye si Dreams FC ni so no e betimi abem enso dia mom nti the next question no na ne training dia na maybe sana ahoma ne yes nti ye hwe say to tomu ya ye be san so akọ no na ye de dia Canada to aso.
Okay. And Michael Saribodu and our tenant kan mo waya de pa member papa pokus ne mom Boris B Kitchen and say young canto say ba akukọ ho no ma de akukọ nam ene akukọ nsensem de a Ghana ha dia obi anim no Boris B enu ntia sanem pewa ebo ne mrane ye BBC na osimen canto say ene de enam obi awe a program bi ase enam na ya akukọ na ope akukọ no ne hen na ope layer na se brola na mum so ope akukọ no enam ni bi se bi a ope chicken thigh ope ne wings sanso na ope ne breast and ne gizzard layers and say dia say ne nam ne bi bia sa akukọ na nkasa na pese obefa bi kokọ tonwa na say konye wo mo a ni nyina no oba ne wa won sabetima ka bi na mum ose nka ncho say o branches awodo okuma se aba bia be wura bia no betimanya akukọ ho no ma ne bi etimi ato afri ne ho upiem wo Bantama High Street a woni Presbyterian sorry dia nhwe Aswansi dwom ho Santasi runabout woni Unity Oil ene dia nhwe obepiem so o Epoku Trading adum na SG team or top high tech and a shell body junction obetimi enya ne branch ni bi wo friend was 0544 44 44 53 0544 44 44 53 na bia enye kama papa
yeah sampaitia tintin bia okay say make appearance you asem wa abusumi bebre ni ze ka ko 10 months nya nipa ni bi mo to ayampe
oh bebre
and I say cause adneso because ka kitu ebi nkan kofu ma me wie omuni mi wie kra
sir
of course Sompa you are aware ntinya afi ni ebe twa kwa
yes
into the economy. Of the Black Stars Management Committee, I am Nipensian and Omudi one cartem so more active members of the Black Stars Management Committee. I am on $100,000 each as appearance fee. Check I trauma one. Omaji. Omaji scan. Look, no the kind. Hey, you're a for Subanfo. They don't my friend is seconds. Penny and that TV suite. Abon a black camera, distinguished man. Now, this is not the first time I hear who know Black Stars Management Committee. So, 2014, no was to be almost Park Man and there also. Bra, what they check in the coin? I'm going to come out rock for Subanfo. And I'll sign the check in the He doesn't want it. Wow. Rock for Subanfo. Katan one could be. We all the coin or something. Upon sign the check, the mom was a Mumfanko, Kwame for Suban for seconds. Oh, okay. Or mother check the command. Or say money, Monsan Fanko. T. Bissamo said, Mo check now, mother coin. Mon check is a one who outside the mom of the quadruple. Soon, Rock Kwame for Subanfo. Or J check. Or some of the coin. Some of the coin. Yes. $100,000. Managerial or some of the coin. The coin. Or tear no envelope. Oh, who say we know your stars direction Niguase? No, Damas, no, Fanco. Oh, wow. Sebi, you call 2014 worker buyer, and your man penny for your number, science man, boy, born. A man for Casaya, may be can. Penny or born the brow. He learned lessons from the 2014 episode. So now I'm from Conens on the Conomon Tia, hey, Papa was a party. No, 100,000 also Falco. Now, Kwame for Suban for Sikan, they won't be then. You get the point. Sebi. Only the check no coin. Oracle Siajiman, our Ghana Tourism Authority, Odini Juma Kama. Oracle Siajiman, or a Black Stars Management Committee member. No, or boy, Juma Pay, Ghana Tourism, beyond the return near day, or ye bra, ye the check no man $100,000. Why didn't check come or J check New Year? Gentleman's agreement and never Football Republic must say, or bet to be, no, the Abania check the amount of doing in Hano. Because I my 80 in the Sikano, so, or the Common Football Republic or Magic, the trends will be adding the Beba, may I check. Only the G about or the gentleman agreement or the Ayejuma, what TB say, oh, Sompa Sports. Ura Mark Ado, a vice president of the FA, SIA Black Stars Management Committee chairman. He didn't check command or Oyejuma, on Kokata or Ban of a fan idea. What didn't check what TB or the Ama Football Republic, Simon Chena, Indian Momokoye Juman, Amosunyabi. He also, Yeguso. Pemso. Ora Samuel Oseko for a committee member. Oboni Juma Kama ex-national star. Big man. Boni Dune DH. Wajine check. Come on. As had my last checks. Not on far. Kakana Otina Akoma Football Republic. That Nidian Nkoye. Alaji Karim Guza. Wajine check. Tuna mtu akacha mso wajene check onye boni bia adwuma no koye ngeti aneka se na medi ka kire mu no kakra also the Coma Football Republic otiso no de mo no ye che no ono so ne de asad my checks last time na enyankoduri ebia metie na akoduru bia fair play Colonel Kwesi Damwa and also a member of the Black Stars Management Committee. $100,000 US. Edama kana kwesida mwakama wajene kama onyanti ni kakrana de koma Football Republic ni ache de amani nuanuma omukoye adwuma. This is the current state of the discussion on appearance fee. Inti nyese ye was state say omutua ya no omutua the money has been paid. And amadika bo minister abaso ase afi sa 100,000 cash. Ye ko afcon ye my appearance fee $20,000 cash and ye the man for. This time around he insisted that no, a check oba no abefa. Until you can't run away from it. Just a one. See, Ura Kwame of Osubanfo Seekens is the only person among the 6. Nanka 7. I mean Stephen Appiah obviously. Yes. Ura Kwame of Osubanfo returned the check. Wow. Yes, sir. This is where we are. Yeah, Obia your margin say, and no be a gidi before you go, so be kwa bonta ku gu when you say. No I show here. Said the women and penny for my bobra with distinguished careers in the country. Untimi nkotona baby anka nsamfudi enwo mufi. No. Let me use myself as an example. I feel now so why would you want to go and tarnish the reputation of people at the very highest level of life? Wouldn't maybe I should be sure? No. But this is a matter of principle. Someone here different. Omaji. So you can't consistently go about and no, please. Please. Yes, sir. Mr. There are people in town who are saying all sort of things. No, Mr. Kakra. A trainer, if you need to be away, I know how to be send a message. And you're here. Nipan saying, I know Mudi won't cut them, so this was like 9 months ago. Okay. Who's that saying? I'm not what's in our canal. What's it saying?
Kickback only game. Only kickback. Before she was here. Kind of she was here. Minimize my fear and my child will give no evidence. Yes, no evidence. She can't walk out and make that. You know, almost 650. No, material account of it. GSA account to mark me, and make coaching at you. Maybe that is a football for a benefit of Musan Khan.
Utia, Ojis can now send to 650,000 Ghana cedis every phone back. Yes. Anna, Obisa, other football members, say, almost I can say, can I, yes, a better moment, almost I can. I didn't miss any fun idea, money. I won't demand, what would remember to be so more for to back. What would it to me account? I have every evidence.
Papa?
Yeah.
Some passports.
Good. Tino.
I see a BC woman tia kufo.
Canada moi. Uti a video now be our own try be able.
Yes.
2 person who need to form bufu your free. Management committee no so. Na me kwane no kwafo. So for me for my entire 6 years me call ya me sign by any day. I think because he's saying on the Black Stars has been the highlight. Some
passports.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some passports.
So you're a young boy and that's so odo in football now. The omodian. Or you're quite almost to the risk. And Gruza is corroborating it. Or a member of the Black Stars Management Committee.
So bianya kwala. And we admit so utuae.
Good.
Obuso mo so mbegis kana chama wo mo no. Omuso mo nsankan and mo mfa misika ma me.
That's it. Mpanyim fa ba me ntwinitin. Ye be san ba.
Some passports.
Kofi. Why adwuma? Yes, we are proud of you because asem na abeka bia no wonyina so. I Sompa 93.1 full time. And yet nkonwa so de bro no na krobia kumasa sante kotoko empanyimfo fia ye no bedi enkomo nyame pa na wotwe wie ye Bed Power Premier League Week 3 kotoko Kerala United ena Asia Kotoko season so far 2 games on mabono enye score na Kotoko support bia be pese obehunu ano mu benyanie na mum obi ebon pese no ma besesa na no Dr. Prosperity Ogum ne nsentwofo hye o ka bebre ene need akwa ba o Kotoko communication team member ofia Dr. Ike Dr. Sophia OPM North America we founding member of Asante Kotoko. There's a Kotoko no mumu jampa. Nina to say
me ho ye pa na onzo e.
Nyame adom. Mama Dr. Ike. Boko die.
Nyame do panyi boko fa.
Ya de nyame ase. Na ni ma me shase for you being the communication team member. Mona mo de nsema wo team mo kwa bonten. Kotoko against Karela. Nse say so far arrangement there na airco.
But that's it. Michia Yashefo nyina check Kotoko supporters once again.
Okay.
Yeah,
some passports.
Was nhihye no yashase Wednesday. Do team na kasa share training ase Monday no. Okay. Boy last game no against Gold Stars Saturday. Ti Sunday no more rest kakra na Monday training. And then a training omuto aswa na Wednesday no press conference or Babayara Sports Stadium because we feel say it is time my team no any empenyumfo no enya that close rapport no with the media and whoever matters in Ghana football. Until I say almost every home game bia ebe bobia no ebe free media no monya that interaction no.
Okay.
So we did it on Wednesday. Yeguso nyame ya aduma said the media kan team no ebetwa training na say ene na we are expecting say bibia ebeko yie asata emra na ebie a friend say tickets no online I will call online who dial star 711 national the baby open say go to bia no that's from 10 cities 20 30 and 50 Ghana who call online now obenya o ticket then also no management fee say
okay become first home game I'm a boy now about the e-ticketing now some of the supporters you know if any a lot of challenges
yes
my second game we didn't say no my yafa ho
there in fact in paying for a din come obibre hopefully maybe by the close of enough to chinano e be ba bonten the communicate bi e be ba we are trying say in our own way no bet me nya tickets no hard copy ubagita say if na network no respond as it always happens na ya ton but we pay it as some passports after dia o ton aha to the be ya enko say obi Jessica ashe ne botomo enye the rifle we say nipa no ye but it's not confirmed though but these are some of the measures go then also no say we'll have supporters available nyame aduma Sunday no immediately we pre-match na no you be around inti match no do 6 p.m. there but nya akwanya na fa stadium ho whatever problem you have ebia opese o ticket on that ticket now unsanka ya will be there to assist you for you to get your ticket because normally no in the afternoon na network no jam kakra into try na o brepa and finally ni 20-30 ejina ho na take it back for about 15-20 minutes and send a network now responding and when you ticket you can imagine the kind of hell and nipa ebe go through so we'll be available at the stadium na yaboa so then also no say education be come more because supporters you know I wouldn't say most of them but don't want also bad stadium now one onisika e won the phone so
okay
2 sikanan kasa so no ese ne bottom meanwhile onim say yen ton ticket e wo gate enti oba na obedi line mo meanwhile no obi a odi na chi no nipa no de no wo twa the ticket o the phone so enti what are you supposed to do e was anka wo twi ho na nipa na wo twa the ticket no na anka wo go through all the formalities and say na ya hwe wo die because wo die na afi na be ma ko back na akope momo vendor bi na to account
wallet no
very good well inti education na yeguso edema ye supporters no say omomo aye team no yɛn dia enti dia wɔ sɛ yɛyɛ team no ho ɛbɛtɔ na obi mfa team no sɛ bia ɛnkɔ baby bɔne no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtumi ɛyɛ nti wobɛgyina gate na wonni wo sika wallet mu na wonni ticket na wobɛgyina hɔ how do you expect say obewura gate or stadium hɔ nti yɛgu so any supporters no kasa but menia chaupa no dodoɔ na bɛkɔ those who are in charge of the ticket no and to some extent are buying honestly once these complaints no normally eba or buy around because Accra Sports Stadium entisa
okay
network Accra no a different from what we are experiencing here at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Okay. And I do ya can want some more ever since I introduced you ticket. Ya can want some more. Say the network problem now at Baba Yara Sports Stadium hard and yeah who improvement be sometimes we better ticket no crano. We better usika no. But yeah mau notification be Sompa when the dancers say what a ticket no. What's na sika no dey ko.
Okay.
Na supporter no I stranded. Nti yaguso dinkita ho dinkombo we are hoping send yama ebeko yem because yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Nti no that is the issue about the ticket no and I know say gradually no we will get there. Enya is there but
Mate. Nita Kotoko communications team member and I would say or kasa wo church no mam no. Dr. Ike. Yeah. Supporters need more. So far a bibu of food if you said no promo team nyasa no mu no jena mo ka kire mo ahead of game e beto dwa Sunday mo Karela shene tie
yo me nua meda watie for na refo ase na me chia supporters nyina to North America 0014 it is I think it's last week after the game na ko ba bi ni no me na me tunyu bi wo fie na ni a video no posti on Facebook afoblo ni bi wo se mewa so what is anyum na meaning ni say me banie wo ye media say wa say kro ye media me mbono me jojo no but me krokro mewa me mo bi nkan che me say media wonye wo say kro ye media the American say kro bia san kotoko ye dia it's what is for dia say enyu say you ye dia wo ba na wonya wo ye de on to ne ntwene o straight bua no chan tretre na se obeye de wo pe amount nti yes supporters say dey say ye better team na chi na ya is like criticism constructively game bu omo bem say de omo ye na enye but okay enyo but ye ni si be yi na yemfo ya hoden ene enimde kakra ye wo ene odon chiro omo say ye ta omo chi insumo awiemo we are supporters not followers yemu binom the team nechi me first game was 74 at Baba Yara.
Oh wow.
Me fini stadium na share wall. 1 year wall me. Until now I don't go to the main gate to the sports stadium, but through behind my house there's a gutter that leads to the VVIP. And to just imagine, I've been showing the scars on my body to me all the time from the sports stadium. We rather man what here, you know. Enti e be die chi em ka say na ya shekoto ye share bitter times pa that with team no ma. Utimi boys so ye be show ni nsu asan bo. Now to tell you, obi ababa ha homachi. Say bi no ba night before. O metra a night before out of the morning, dawn 6 near be gate. No ticket. Obi obenu nsu ni nsu bone ho, oba ni nsu bone ho. No watrema na ebo ani asan hye ni nsu asample. The next week, the following week no, not a stadium view. Okay. Or a supporter. And yes, supporters no. We first second game. You're more to go. So I'm just telling them say omuma omani enje simple omo team se kotoko na du omachi na omo fa ahosepani ni gin fanta omachi ebeye ye hu bida we've gone through worse situations than this one. This is just a little bit entino momo yenyidi se kotoko no ebetimi aye because ye bida ye ka African teams are kotoko is one of the best because we've been there, done it, and we're going to do it again. Until Sunday omumra na yemfa ni gye ne ahosepani odo na yemfa husie mra sa ampa krobia na edi agro no na yemfa nko slaughterhouse African Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium na yenko slaughter team na eba no na yenkyere se kotoko no
the slaughterhouse
to
be abawa mu kwhwele
Sunday ye
Sunday kotoko twa karelati
yeni issues kura nti yemfa odomra na team lechi.
Dr. Ike Nauten and Kano, North America founding member Asante Kotoko. Ni na mo be gate time baby because now we church after pre-match mbo ho be all problem bet me support mo be any time baby. Na players no so no after 2 games no mo na mo ben wo mo kwa o mo mood no say ni city
latest by 12 in the afternoon na you be gate. But pre-match started at 10. It's normally me actually by 8:39 na mo stadium. Okay. To bar o de obe do gate obisa obia over e frame me. You be boa. No we have ticket. We did it 2 weeks ago. Boa wo mo di kan ba ntem no. We help them to almost have problem
some passports.
We'll still be there to assist them. Players in the honestly no more kasa. Omo kra no so. You see they also supporters so. And player bia no say o win Homa. O je 500. O win away o je 700. Enti anka win against Art of Lions and I go win against the Bibiani goes as 1,002.
Ka odin a year and why a day.
What you say? Then in answer, I can almost salary year, I clear few and go bank to crown for the
so what clear salaries no?
No, yeah. The CNO, I am now say by 25th, 26th, 27th, I will say play a Bian Sakanisika.
Oh, wow.
Until then answer, and there 29th.
Yeah.
So 27th no be a
Canadian
account. It's like almost win this 2 matches now. And can we assure of a bank?
They can really savings.
It's Womukrano, they are willing to win.
Okay.
Than young guy, you know, in fact, only Womokasa, they have no option than to win the game for us on Sunday.
Okay.
And now, was it Mudemon country say, Omumra and Betai? Once a Karela for some years now, we will always find it difficult to beat them. Normally, a coin in Asena, a Hokramu, easy cramaye, as in Babayara Sports Stadium. But we need to turn it around Namiaduma Sunday. Because then to be 3 matches without a win, especially at the Babayara Sports Stadium, we're able to get
some passports.
Interesting supporters, you know, say, Yanya. You see, Emra teams started pre-season. Almost top players. Now, yeah, supporters now complaining that because at that time, you know, say board beko, say board inko, say management beko, say management inko. Now, opimsuan kasaye. But they're not even saying asha. So you can ask yourself, say, with that short time, you know, I hate when I call 4 players here, everybody. Quite bad, no, but then nothing to be recruitment.
Yeah.
So what I say, it is a process. Then ya abutre, nyama beko yamaye. But I can assure them, say, Namiaduma Sunday, we have just one option. And man says, we need game no.
Okay.
And my supporters no. And say, Omumra. Say the last 2 weeks, Omoba Bayara Sports Stadium no. Omumra. Now may yes this appeal to them. A team no now babe. Kotoko on fire weight bill to our estu papa. Kotoko.
Sir,
I'm telling you. A kappa tineda hosano. And yeah easy. If you to camp Kotoko for a night by our hotel and just cut it. Now be do gate. No who say lie wo no be so mamiskana na wuremu na we Kotoko supporter she Kotoko atade. And also what this kana manepa no so wuremu without ticket. Then I we team no.
Oh dinner bro.
Say yanko player away, yanko far away, yan say yanto quality. Where do we get the money from to buy those quality players? A true gate proceeds, yeah. Let's be each other's keeper. Let's be the keepers for Santi Kotoko. That's what we got. Let's protect the image of the club. Mr. Obe do gate na baby. One kasa act and say what friend because be our friend now in that go in perimeter. Ebe na Dr. Ike won the bed big cry we chire answer na be do baby a wo no. Na de be si no. Esi inti Mr. supporters no who be mo acting. So when you see something, say something. And sana ebe ko baby fra na to me akọ.
Doctor, obi ade be twa to na ansana mama college no so abamu kakra.
Some passports.
They make become supporters no. Say rantem entry tickets in intem. Na they see the last time we go home game no. You may be in CBM. This time no Obama security are tight kakra.
Very.
It's all intention say oh ba abefima ku free I'm just warning.
So na tete bi say bi kura jiska bi oba bi.
And it's all intention oba bi tua bi dey remove free I mean why I say there will be undercover security guards around that one here but we na be could room pay into the answer brantem ticket in intem 71*71 hash nature now obana ukra tickets to phone so it's easier say no to kra mo bia print am akra dia ba it's easier it's scan am no komboko and yes how yes a connection bia we get a chia on be chiro because the scene teman for ashe ketem ashe sapom so din say maybe in CBM amanfo who say we lost some money manfo be so gate na chia de bu foku fie kura so doso manfo a omure ma o mantua enso doso yen sum na enkote do say aban ya ntino abaka kra bi won wo de me ene wo de kambo mu a amanfo so go around last Sunday P security guards you call around the stadium cha gate no na twice kra first half kra man shebi because I was going around from gate to gate to make sure say omo twa na kwa be mu ne omo twa no nsem birbi o to ani afro fa nti first half because ba na ye first half second half be shey ni na ya kotoko adwuma na ya try be bon adwuma because nti won ye wo de by coming in early and buying your ticket early and get to the stadium early and to enjoy the game the make us what is around no
me da say obetima Fred Wadwin Traba number ne 0551931931 0548931931 nsembebri ne aboboso o frafa kotoko mpanyimfo ha hale
international abujabi
yankwe
mo achala payo
na akwa so de yankwe
le premier mo ba so pa legacy agubo sia obo na la ko company for no so le mo ma ba legacy agubo nshiro mo la mensa atatumaso nyampa kila na chuda wa kule baso yamna nyama kila bijanya kama la mchuru nyampa kila kutuma tujuba la macha ko do tafu na se nyampa sande machini na nyama chepa kana suma eja league ne mo no ko ko ya joke la so a ya ko mchenya po ta 3 points no so ya ba jitimo bi address ni kenya yamla ya ba na simple for say so you say no so ya yamma we normal one on left future no so mo ko bin kan tell the baby to border no maso etinya ko kama tona bibia so kama lo de da compare no so am you param tam da so
da say hale
lutaki
yes o bonus na
do on park down ko kwa tuma do on park down eti ne ko to ko fo pe you for ba dia Sunday ko park lutaki
international oyibo national
Aduatu ipo papa pesi na abodi abi wa flu player na o Ghana
oh nyampa mande mbatenenka say de ne ho ye
agent ye tini kasa e amufa ni no mani tudwa e player na ya kiano e be nyakopon fani yale na mande ye hu nanim ta mi cha Ricardo Ike Edugas and Ovi 6 man na luta unim se upenyi photo quality players a udana wada atuwe House of Folk mwayete na tobe abo adwuma ma House of Folk defenders are papa na watom strikers are papa midfielders are papa na bofofo kasa na nya bibi na ya bibi a House of Folk ni bofofo bobo na bofo kasa na bofofo ya babu homo a mutimi saye eti ya bon pass House of Folk supporters Sunday Saturday ball na ya bonu enye nkwa na ya bo enini do so wo hu ti e bo pa se de wo football mu bia no yakupon fa maye na yakupon di maya Sunday anyume ye be kwa ko kai ya foneti mo musa fa 3 points ni wo baba ya la luta oye go jina amanga yo kiluta onya Solomon ye ati ase wansamre na na frem pon ata se wa chuma wo beja na na mbedo mame mo oni ebega foni nyina ba so pa na otokopeni po a ena no pay so mesira mo so ye mo ma ba so pa juma pa mo bo na me chia lawyer obe ye bo a osubi ena the vice president Dr. Mamoda Omi akaka mekanise ko mata sante ko supporters se de mpeni po no kano match no ye nto ticket no biro ansa na match day na jiro o tia se o to ticket na o du get na se o do phone na kire ni ascan ni okwa ko wem ye bese pa ena ye nyina so ye nye wo job e fa ma ye ho eni pe bi wo ma di se ko bo match a se kanu ma ko to ko ne ska lo ko mbojo no o ko to ko supporters so no wa ha wani obi ka te pesi kama no a me pesi kama no e kwa bi o be fa so ska be ko to ko be se mpeni po more than a quarter supporters. You can't get any for no. You did say Yami Adma Sunday 3 points, you know. I don't come and the supporters meant to MP. Said the coach guy, you know. They were near the 3 times supporter the better or much against the Lions, you know. Never the same supporter method team that against Carla, not 3 points, you know. And you quarter and the quarter for the Hello, Tabitha. Hello.
Yes, I would never be free.
So, Medica too, so Mrs. African and Poga 7 small lie.
Yet you.
Yeah, a toda Ghana penny for no job who Monte as here. You share a large cruiser, the kind of person, or ya. Nanko, you'll be a Okasapa, iffy. A woman near be a Mutaye. A throw to World Cup or Modern Commano. 1 billion. I feed a large cruiser by next Sassa. I'm a feed or say, or yeah, to my Yanica. Or by your correlation of the core cast near other port and ye devil. I was saying,
Meda say, where the fache, Yabrano, and Yason. Ni 10 seconds near your time.
Yes, supporters and say, I'm on come command to me. And we had my Sunday on Rabbi by a sports stadium. On the 13 Nechi. When the going gets tough, not players no who more stands no more. They can't disappoint them.
Meda say, Doctor.
Minia. The American say, sitting in Nikano and Wamumbra, Temunso. The players need their support, so they should come and support them. Now, I'm about to support Oma. You win the big coffee. I'm here on Sunday.
Meda say, Hana Breme Kwame di Jumadi Nesi, ne Kotoko, Mpanyin Foneba, Nida Kona, Dr. Ike, Sansona, Neote, Atapukunka, Ote Mike Asaribodunka, Ote Jeffrey Asarin, Kamidin, Edilu Tech in production, ye Nas, Ricardo Varas, na Prince Ebome, ye kwa 3, Obete and Kedi Shootout Bebrel.
One te Unipeduasia, Ote Ayarisa.